गोय सरकारान जाहीर केल्ल्या सामान्य किमान कार्यावळीन कूळ मुणकार कायदो राज्यांतल्या मांडांचो विशय सारकिल्ल्या मुद्द्यांचेर भर दिल्या.
So even Kul Munkar Kaido, I think by the forthcoming assembly, you might find the Kul Munkar Kaido, you're finding an answer to that amendment. State as a tree, state tree, coconut as a state tree, also you might find the answer immediately.
ते भायर इंडस्ट्रीन थळाव्यांक रोजगार मेळपाक कौशल्य कलेचेर सरकार चड भर दितले म्हण महसूल मंत्री रोहन खंवटे उलयल्यात.
इंडस्ट्री लोकल एम्प्लॉयमेंट मेळचे हाचे खातीर स्कील डेव्हलपमेंटाचेर भर दिल्लो आसा. Talking about employment to the industries which we want, without a plan was always said 80% दिवस 70% दिवस. Today we are talking about skill development, areas which will be there for specializing people in different sectors. Other electronics समज city आता, you will have a cluster for skill development for putting people in this cluster. So all in all the plan is in the next 2, 3, 4 years train people to ensure that जो industry आता त्या industry ते match जाऊन तांकां employment मेळचे. Automatically employment criteria of getting 70% or 80% will be met if we have the skills in our people. So यो गजाल्यो करता आसतना IT sector we can say that the policy which is coming through IT will categorically be implemented which has been done with stakeholders, taking stakeholders in confidence. यो policy better outline करू ना industry बरोबर घेवन दिल्लो आसा तातून employment will be one of the major criteria along with revenue per square meter for the state.
RDX Goa Bureau Report.